Hi there, students. To exhort. To exhort means to strongly encourage or try to persuade somebody to do something. The speaker exhorted the crowd to stay calm. The prison officer exhorted the prisoners not to behave unreasonably, not to burn the building, for example. The teacher exhorted us to run faster during the training. Okay, so to exhort, to urge by strong argument or by telling off or advice or appeal. The officer exhorted his troops to hold the position and not to give up. Yeah, so to talk to somebody urgently and very persuasively, earnestly and strongly. So I exhort you not to translate from your native language, yeah? Just to try and speak English without thinking in your own language. To urge somebody to do something very strongly. The president exhorted his listeners to turn away from violence. Gandhi exhorted people to be pacifist, not to take violent action. So to advise earnestly, but quite strongly. Yeah, the coach is exhorting his team to try harder because he doesn't want them to lose the match. To incite by using argument or advice. The politician exhorted voters to do the right thing. I exhort you, please don't stop wearing your masks. And I also exhort you to continue the social distancing. These are two things that will help us beat COVID. Okay? So to exhort, to ask really, really, really strongly. Let's see, to exhort, this is quite a formal word. I'm going to give it something like a 7.5 in formality. I think more informally, I'd strongly urge you. Yeah? Okay? So, to urge somebody strongly to do something, to exhort, but it's formal. I wouldn't use exhort in an informal conversation in the pub. It would sound a bit weird. People would understand it, but it's just far too formal. This for semi-formal or very formal writing, yeah? That's where you need to use it. The police exhorted the public to be on the lookout for this criminal. Notice as well, to exhort is a regular verb. I exhorted them to continue trying. He has exhorted us to do this, and we must try to do our best. The boss exhorted us to keep working and finish the project on time. Okay, let's see. As to origin, it comes through us from Latin through French again. From exhortor, to encourage. Out of, and hortor with an H, to incite, to spur on, to push on. Yeah? So, yeah, I exhort you to read more. But I also advise you read something that you find interesting. I exhort you not to translate from your native tongue into English because you will always have structural mistakes. Okay, the speaker exhorted people to think for themselves and not just believe what everyone tells them. So, to exhort. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To exhort.